For today's video, I'm going to make a panda bucket hat. Does it look familiar? This is the bucket hat of Winter Olympic Games for 2022. It's always out of order, so I'm going to make it by my own. Let's go through the material first. I used fluffy yarn, 2 balls of cream yarn, and 1 ball of black yarn. I prepared 2 sizes of crochet hook, 8mm crochet hook, 6mm crochet hook, thread clipper, flexible rule, yarning needle, and stitch marker. Before we start, I want to show you the gauges I made. The left one used 6mm crochet hook with single thread. The right one used 8mm crochet hook with double threads. The most obvious difference is the thickness. Single thread one is softer, and the surface is finer. But I prefer the double thread one, and the single thread is quite soft and can be folded easily. But the double thread one makes your hat look bigger, so just do it according to your favorite result. If you like the single thread one, you will need to adjust the pattern. And because this is a fluffy yarn, if I demonstrate with this yarn, you are not able to see the steps, so I will demonstrate with another yarn. First, let's make the crown. For this part, we use 8mm crochet hook and double threads of cream yarn. Magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your hand. Crochet hook goes under the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Then we start to make single crochet. Crochet hook goes under the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn from the back and pull through 2 loops. Now we finish a single crochet. We need to place a stitch marker at the V shape. Then we need to do 5 more single crochet. After finishing 6 single crochet, pull the thread tight. Hook goes through the first stitch, where the stitch marker is. And do a slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Then pull the left loop out of the right one. Chain 1. Go through the same stitch again, and do a single crochet. Place the stitch marker on the first stitch. Then increase for this round. 2 single crochet in every stitches. 12 stitches for the second round. Increase every single stitch. "18 stitches for round 3. Increase every other stitches for the round. "24 stitches for round 4. Increase every 3 stitches. Repeat this for the round. "30 stitches for round 5. Increase every 4 stitches. "36 stitches for round 6. Increase every 5 stitches. "42 stitches for round 7. Increase every 6 stitches. Once the circumference reaches 48 cm to 52 cm, then we can stop increasing. It will be better to measure it when you crochet. If we are using different type of yarn, the numbers of rounds also need to adjust, so I would recommend to try it on while crocheting. I didn't increase from round 8 to 13, just 42 single crochet. The crown I made is quite long. So if you like it shorter, just reduce a few rounds. After finishing round 13, we don't need to do the slip stitch yet. Now we are going to make the brim. We are using 8mm crochet hook and double threads of black yarn. First we need to change the yarn and finish the slip stitch. Crochet hook goes through the first stitch. Fold the new yarn. Pull through. Then it's the same step. Chain 1 and a single crochet. Increase every 3 stitches for round 14. That will be 56 stitches. No increase for round 15. 56 single crochet. Increase every 4 stitches for round 16. "70 stitches in total. No increase for round 17. Just 70 single crochet. Slip stitch for round 18, and we don't need to chain 1. Just slip stitch for the whole round. Pull the thread after the final slip stitch. Now we make the ears. I use 6mm crochet hook and single thread of black yarn for this part. Magic ring. 6 single crochet, same as what we did before. Increase to 12 stitches for round 2. Increase to 18 stitches for round 3. "18 single crochet for round 4. Decrease to 12 stitches for round 5. So we only yarn over and pull through for the first stitch. And we move to the next stitch and do the same. Yarn over and pull through, then the decrease is done. Decrease to 6 stitches for round 6. After finishing the final slip stitch, pull the thread and cut it. We finished one side of the ear. This is the result. Now we start crocheting and use the official yarn. It's the same step that I demonstrated. I will finish both of the ears and sew and hide thread. Let's talk about data and yarn. So the measurement is the hat after flattened. The yarn that I use is 100 grams per ball. I used 140 grams for the cream yarn and 93 grams for the black yarn. Almost finished it. You can use this as a reference. I guess this is the end. Hope you enjoy watching and hope it helps you too. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!